dogs can understand English, because at number 4, he's exposing the truth.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Number 3, he felt so disrespected.
Here you go, Racky. I know how much you like wieners.
Number 2, he dares you to say it again.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
And before we get to number 1, if these dogs made your day even 1% better, smash that like button and subscribe. And comment a laughing emoji if you think dogs are funny. Number 1, he said woof, but in lowercase.
Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Whisper. Good job.